Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into ContractWorks for deal management strategy, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for ContractWorks. Press enter to navigate to the ContractWorks login page. On the top right corner of the page, locate the login button. Click on the login button to access the login form. In the first field, enter your registered email address. In the second field, enter your password. Double-check both entries for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Sign In button. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to the ContractWorks dashboard. If you encounter an error, ensure your email and password are entered correctly. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Enter your email address in the provided field. Follow the instructions sent to your email to reset your password. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Explore the various sections related to deal management. You are now ready to start managing your contracts effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.